Hello everyone, now we're down to the 10th episode of this Europe trip series. And in today's video, I want to share with you my experience traveling alone in Romania.
So after 17 hours on the road, nakababa na rin kami dito sa Bucharest. Yung famous bookstore here in Bucharest.
Stație la linia 3 și va pleca în direcția Predeal Brasov.
I already left Bucharest, which is the capital of Romania, and my next stop would be Brasov, which is also one of the popular places here in Romania. And right now I'm in Sinaia, and since it's just along the way from Bucharest going to Brasov, I decided to drop by because I wanted to see the Palace and Pelestor Castle, which is also a popular tourist destination aside from the Bran Castle, aka Dracula's Castle. Right now I'm in a park. And nagpapahinga lang ako. Good morning from Brasov. Nahirapan akong hanapin kung saan talaga yung place kasi walang ilaw dito kagabi. The only house that I saw that has lights on is the first one, somewhere there. So inakyat ko yung bahay and then kumatok ako, and then a family of boys greeted me and said na they rented the place and this is not the hostel you're looking for, but it's just a part of it. One of the things I noticed here in Romania, wala masyadong Asians, unlike sa other countries na napuntahan ko na for this Europe trip. before going to Rasnov, I was in Bran Castle. Kaya lang, I didn't know where is the bus stop at the area dun sa Bran. And I asked someone, a security guard, kung saan ba makikita yung bus stop. So, tinuro naman niya sa akin. Kaya lang, nung pinuntahan ko yung way kung saan niya tinuro, hindi ko naman makita. And I didn't see any other tourists waiting somewhere. And I saw a van. May mga sakay naman siya. So, it's like a family van. And I asked the driver kung alam niya ba yung bus stop. Sinabi niya na pumasok na lang ako dun sa van. And it turned out na I got a free ride going here because they are also going this way. Nung nakarating na kami dito, dun ko lang na laman na driver lang pala siya / tour guide. And he is just driving this family from Israel. So I'm grateful for the driver and of course for the family. So, ito na yung tinatawag nilang Bridge of Lies. Ito, yan. Hi! So, gusto kong manood. I'm not sure what time, but let's wait.